So, as RJ mentioned earlier, our last day of Zoom class is Tuesday, January 26th. So that is 3 weeks from tomorrow. So if you're looking at that last row of the calendar down here where the purple is, on that Monday, you guys are going to take the RI, which is the second time that you've done that. You did it in September at the very beginning of school. It's just where it gives you the passage and you have to pick the word that fits best in the passage. So we're going to do that on that Monday, and then the final exam is that Tuesday. That means that Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday that week are makeup days. So the marking period still technically ends on the 29th, but teachers are going to be in the building on those days, setting up our classrooms and stuff like that to get ready for hybrid learning, which starts in February, assuming everything goes as planned. So our last class together will be on the 26th, and then the 27th, 28th, and 29th, teachers will just have office hours, and it'll be kind of days to wrap up the semester, okay? So that means that we really only have like 3 weeks of real class left, because that last week is just testing and makeup days. So 2 of those 3 weeks are 4-day weeks. So next Friday is an asynchronous day, and then the Monday after that is Martin Luther King Day. So we have, including today, 9 plus 4, no, yeah, 9 plus 4, yeah, 13 actual classes in Zoom together left. Right, that math is right. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 4 is 13, yeah. And then 2 testing days. So because of those changes in the calendar, we don't have time to do everything that was originally planned for Unit 4. So the original plan was to read A Raisin in the Sun and do a research project. We absolutely cannot do all of that in 3 weeks. So instead, there is an extra credit assignment posted if you are someone that would like to read A Raisin in the Sun. So in Schoology, it's already there. It's right under Unit 3, is an extra credit assignment to read A Raisin in the Sun and complete the document as you read. And that is now extra credit. So if you are someone that wanted to read A Raisin in the Sun or that needs extra credit, this is the spot for you. What we're going to be doing in class is focusing on the research part of Unit 4. So let me go over this research project assignment page with you guys. And this is in Schoology in the week 15 folder if you want to refer back to it later. It is the second thing in the folder right under our meeting recordings is the research project assignment page. So you can locate that here, but I'm just going to kind of go through it really quickly to introduce you guys to the unit. So for the rest of the marking period, the next 3 weeks, we are going to be focusing on research skills and crafting effective digital presentations to meet 6 of our Common Core standards. So those standards are listed right here on the document in bullet points. You don't really need to know them. I just kind of put them there in case you're interested in why we're doing this. So basically the gist of these standards is that you're going to conduct a research project, you're going to gather information from multiple sources, find evidence from those sources, evaluate that evidence, and present it using digital media. So basically all of those bullet points say that. So what we're going to do is work on a research project over the next 3 weeks. You will generate a research question on any topic that interests you. It can be about anything in the world. You are then going to conduct research and create an informational Google Slides presentation on your findings of your research. So this project is broken up into 5 classwork grades for a total of 30 classwork points. and 1 assessment grade for a total of 10 assessment points. And that is equivalent to the point values that were assigned in each of those categories during Unit 3. So all of my cement is worth the same exact amount as this whole project, to kind of give you an idea of how much this is worth. You will have the option to present your research findings either live on Zoom or pre-recorded on Flipgrid. So if you're somebody that does not like to speak in front of people and you would rather do a pre-recording and upload it, that is absolutely okay. Our class time on January 21st and January 22nd is going to be dedicated to watching those presentations, whether that's live or the pre-recorded ones. So at the bottom of this document is a chart of all of the assignments and the calendar to give you more detailed information. So to summarize, the format of this project is a Google Slides presentation. The audience is your peers. Your topic is your choice. It can be anything. Your purpose is informational, and your keywords of the prompt are research, slides, and present. Okay. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 assignments that are connected to this total. So we've got our topic selection, which is what we're doing today. And then we're going to find our sources that give us our information this week. Next week, you've got your presentation outline, the draft of your slides, and a practice presentation. And then the following week, you will do your actual presentation. So that is kind of the progression of assignments for this unit. And that calendar that was on my slide is right in here for you. So again, this is in Schoology. If you want to refer back to it, this is all here. And if there are any changes, I will not only tell you, but update them here as well. Okay.